Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cut one video into two separate clips right on your iPhone. Super easy, no paid apps needed. There are two methods. Alright, first, open up the Photos app and find the video you want to split. Tap on it, then hit More button option in the bottom line. It looks like this one. Now, you'll see the video timeline at the bottom. Drag the handles to pick where you want your first clip to start and end. Once you've got it, tap Done. Then choose Save Video as New Clip. That way, your original stays safe, and you've got your first part saved. To get the second part, go back to your original video. Hit Edit button again. This time, move the handles to start where the last clip ended. Drag it to the end of the video. Tap Done, then Save as New Clip again. Boom. You just cut your one video into two separate clips. Super simple, and all right inside the Photos app. Alright, now I'm going to show you a second way to split a video using this super easy app called Easy Video Cutter and Merger. It's free on the iOS App Store. Just open the App Store on your iPhone, search for Easy Video Cutter and Merger, and tap the Get button to install it. Once it's installed, open it up and tap on Split and Save Video. That's the very first option you'll see. Now tap Select Video from Gallery. It'll ask for access to your photos, so pick Allow Full Access so it can pull up your videos. Find the video you want to cut. Like here, I'll pick this one. Then tap Choose at the bottom right. Wait a sec while it compresses your video. Once that's done, you'll see the options screen. Tap the little radio button next to Equal Split. Then tap in the box to enter how many parts you want. I'll type 2, then hit Done. Nice. Now tap Split Now. A pop-up will ask if you're sure. Just hit OK. Wait for it to load, and then you'll get a little congratulations message saying your video was saved to your photo library. So let's check it. Open your Photos app, go to Recents, and there you go. My 2-minute 14-second video is now split into two clips, each about 1 minute 7 seconds. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, hit the like button, consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments what other iPhone tricks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.